Cereal for breakfast is more than just a grab and go for our next guest. It's the meal that can start the conversation to end gun violence in the community. Here with more details about how you can get involved in this plan is Libby Roepe with Cereal for Breakfast, and with her is Caley Rose. Welcome. How are you?
Hi, we're so good.
Yeah, so happy you're here. Caley, welcome back.
Thank you.
You've been here before.
Yes.
Glad to have you here,
Yes,
Libby.
first timer.
Of course. So tell us, what is Cereal for Breakfast?
So Cereal for Breakfast was born when I was just really restless one night. The Covenant shooting had just happened in Nashville. Still weighing heavy on me was the Uvalde incident and mass shooting. And then just the never-ending headlines. And so what I needed was an outlet. I needed something to feel like I could make meaningful change. And so I'm an event planner by trade. And late that night, I was texting a friend. I think she woke up to like 24 texts at 3 a.m. It was like,
She's probably like, what is this?
I know. Essentially, it was, you know, we could throw an event tomorrow and just serve cereal, and everyone would show up and they would give and they would donate if they knew that that was making an impact and meaningful change. And so that's how Cereal for Breakfast was born.
Yeah.
And it's kind of a nod. We want to give reverence to, you know, mornings. I have 3 little ones. Getting kids out every morning is tough. You're arguing over hairstyles and what shirt to wear.
The shoes, the socks.
Yes, the shoes, the socks. And so for way, way too many parents, their last memory of a little one is the cereal for breakfast that they shared.
Yeah, that's so true. Absolutely. So what are some of the barriers that other community members who may be, you know, frustrated about this as well when they're trying to plan events like this? What are some of the barriers that they may encounter?
Well, we've created Cereal for Breakfast to be a low-cost, turnkey way to mobilize your own community. So a lot of the times you might feel like maybe you don't know quite enough about gun sense laws or lobbying and all that kind of stuff that gets caught up in it. And then maybe it's expensive. Maybe you think that throwing an event requires lots of fancy food and all that kind of stuff. So we've taken away the cost. This is cereal. It's so cheap, cereal and milk. You can go grab it from any store you want. And sure, you can ask for donations, but we heard a lot of no's when we did ask for donations.
Really?
And I was talking to some of the gals that are helping me out, and I was like, that's okay, we were built for this.
Yeah.
It's cheap, let's buy it ourselves.
Yeah. And it's unlimited at the event that's on Saturday,
yes,
right? I mean,
Unlimited cereal.
Yes, I counted up the amount of servings we have. We have 700 servings for, I think, about 100 people. So.
Yeah.
So we took out costs, we took out time. People want to react and they want to give immediately. This took us 104 days since the Covenant shooting to plan. But the next time it's going to take just a couple days.
Yeah.
And if anyone else wanted to host their own cereal for breakfast, it would only take a couple days, and they can strike when the iron's hot, when passions are high, and people are ready to give.
And Caley, you'll be there as one of the artists, music artists with the live music.
Yes.
What are you looking forward to?
So I got involved because Libby actually reached out to me on Instagram. I have been on the show before, thankfully. I'm a singer and a songwriter, and I created a program called Music with a Message that brings confidence tools into schools. So Libby saw my work with students online and reached out. So check your DMs, people, because there can be good things in there. And I was an instant yes, because I've been really passionate about this cause. But I've also been one of the people sitting at home just thinking, how do I help? I want to help more than just giving money.
This is a great way.
Yeah.
Great way for sure. Well, ladies, thank you so much for joining us this morning and telling us about Cereal for Breakfast. It's the most important meal of the day, but again, a great meal to create a plan. So everyone at home, you can put a stop to gun violence when you attend the Cereal for Breakfast event this Sunday at Rochester Brewing and Roasting. Enjoy unlimited cereal, 700 servings, y'all, and live music from Caley Rose NZ_. To learn more about Cereal for Breakfast, visit the website listed on your screen.